Welcome back. Now, Gutenberg will allow us to convert some of our content into a list. So if you go inside of one of your text blocks, you can highlight the content, and then what you can do is you can click Change Block Type, and then you can transform your content into a list. We're just going to click this list. And what happens is we then have bullet points to outline our content. If we want to change so that it does appear for us to have more bullets, we can do that. We can also change the nature of the bullets. So what we can do is we can change the bullets to an ordered list, or we can change it back to an unordered list. We can then change the position of some of our content in the list. So we can indent, or we can outdent. Or it's possible that you may want to create a list from scratch. You can go to your add block area. You can then add in the list block. You can choose it from the most used, or you can choose it from the common blocks. You'll then have a block where you can create lists, and you'll be able to write them in one at a time. And with every successive bullet that you add on, all you'll need to do is to click the return button, and you'll be able to then write in a new bullet. And the same thing will be true with this block. We can highlight it. We can change the nature of that block to something that we want it to be. And of course, we can move the block any place in the document where we want it to be. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.